I'm going to go over a 14 terabyte hard drive from the company Seagate. You know what? If you've ever seen any of Seagate's products, you definitely know it's one of the better ones out there. And this is an external hard drive, and it works on either a PC or Mac. And just going over it here, you can see the compatibility with it. And on the back, add-on storage for your PC or Mac. You know what? There's not much to the box here. So let's just go ahead and open this thing up and see what you get in the box. Wow, it's packaged in there very nicely. Look at how they packaged it. Okay, you could feel how dense this thing is. It has a very dense feel to it. Let's see what all cords you get with it. So you get the basic USB-C cord. I think that's a SAT cord is what they call that right there. You got one of those. And then in here, oh my God, could you give me more attachments? It looks like they've covered about every outlet you need. So right out of the box, you get this kind of outlet. Check that out. So it looks like they've covered about every outlet. You know what? I am in the good old USA. So I'm going to say I need this outlet. And to snap that on, pretty self-explanatory how that snaps on right there. But you looks like you have China, Russia, and pretty much anywhere you need those attachments right there. Let's just kind of like look over the drive itself. It looks like it's got a power input, so you're going to need power to run this. And then it looks like you get, I would say that's a 3-foot USB cable. So let's go ahead, let's plug this thing up to the computer and let's see how much like storage is actually on this drive. Nice little logo there, and it looks like it can either go flat or run just like this. So let me go ahead, hook everything up to my PC, and let's see what this thing does. Okay, so I went ahead and plugged up the hard drive. You can see it right here. It's not overly noisy. You know, one of the complaints I'd seen online was it makes a lot of noise. You get a little kind of indicator light on the top. So when you put your hand on it, I can feel a little bit of hum coming out of it. I am going to stabilize it a little better. You don't want to knock these things down. So when it popped up right here, you can see it's actually only has 12.7 terabytes free. And then when I click on it here, it opens up. It's got the Seagate, the start, and then, you know, you'll make a folder in here. So I'll go ahead and make a quick folder right there. New folder. Pretty simple. But overall, just so you know, when you get this thing in, it's going to have 12.7 and not 14. That's kind of crazy that there's that much going on with all of the restoration. But everybody, this thing has a ton of storage on it. I see no issues with it at all. It's very affordable. You got to think a 14 terabyte hard drive at this much of affordable cost. If I just get around about 13, I'm okay with that. You know, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Seagate 14 terabyte hard drive, 12.7 terabyte hard drive. See y'all in the next video.